Do you know how to make a proper analysis? Formulating a posture of a building is usually difficult. However, this is mainly due to the lack of information we have about the objects of study. Even though, if we have the information, we can make mistakes by omitting things. Here's where ideology comes in. So then, what is an ideology? Ideology is a group of values, ideas, and beliefs that characterize a culture or an individual. Analyzing the architecture supported by ideology can help us to have a wide outlook of it and evaluate them in a deeper way. A way to make this easier is analyzing the components of an ideology. In this case, to have a better understanding, we will analyze the Heroico Colegio Militar with the categories myth, style, and methodology to provide a posture. Heroico Colegio Militar is a military professional educational campus that offers its studies to female and male staff. It is the largest military set in Latin America with 385 hectares terrain. The campus is located in the delegation of Tlalpan in Mexico City and were designed by the architects Agustín Hernández Navarro and Manuel González Rull in 1976. These two architects were also collaborating together in the housing complex of the Olympic Village. To begin, we will start with myth category. First of all, what does the category myth refers to? It makes reference to those symbolic elements which are part of a building and at the same time are part of a local myth where the building is placed. Saying that, this category is entirely present in the Heroico Colegio Militar by having a spatial and formal architectural elements of the Old Teotihuacan in its urban spatial nature, Tajín for its sunken space, and Monte Albán in its asymmetry. Also, the formal elements can be seen in the volumetry of its facades, since it has a huge significance by symbolizing important deities, like the principal building, which is the government building, which has the figure of Huitzilopochtli, war god among the Mexicans. It is then its form denotes sculptural buildings conformed by simple shapes. Also, the way in which the architect unifies the pre-colonial culture together with the military educational campus gives it a greater meaning to being precisely this culture known for having audacity, courage, and honor. The intention of the author was to give priority to the monumental expression of the building, where the experience stops being individual and becomes a collective experience. It is also important since this ceremonial center develops a sense of companionship between the cadets, this by giving them the feeling that their souls are united by the same purpose. The next ideology category in which the present work can be defined is style and methodology. The first is clearly referring to the architectural style of the building, and the second one to the ideas and values that are present in the methodological process of the conception of the architectural work. By the time in which the Heroico Colegio Militar has begun to be conceived, Mexico had to present itself as a modern country. That is why modern style can be present in its architectural work. Likewise, Agustín Hernández is well known for being a follower of the modern style, the rationalism of the open areas, and functionality of interior areas, along with the geometric volumetry which are primarily cubes, pyramids, and taludes, and the materials proposed which are concrete, are part of the concept of the predominant style. The mixture of cultural local elements combined with the modernity of the country and the preparation of young military makes this campus valuable since it takes into account the past, the present, and the future. Also, Agustín Hernández translates to this set of buildings its own signature. The methodology he repeats in his architectural works are known by bringing back, as already been mentioned, cultural local elements, being the most common the ones of the Hispanic age. Definitely is something we can see in this case. Also, the methodology used to get the final results explores the importance of the volumetry and its land planning against interior spaces. The creation of open spaces and the hierarchy of buildings within the urban plan in order to generate ceremonial centers and plazas were also important elements of the pre-Columbian culture. Likewise, the volumetry of the facade is an important element of the architect since it has a combination with his modern style philosophy. Now that we approach these categories, we can have a better understanding of what were the meanings that moved the architects to make this architectural work. Dividing by categories the analysis of the building helps us to make a more specific and wider analysis of architecture. If these categories did not exist, it would be more difficult to start to make an opinion of the building. Also, without this division, the opinion could be more general and superficial. These categories makes us sink in a deeper investigation of all the elements and circumstances of the building, which provide us a wider understanding and more tools to base our analysis. Saying that, Heroico Colegio Militar was approached in two main categories, need and style and methodology, which were mainly led by the form and the use of cultural elements. The background and historical significance that the architect has given, as well as the regional planning to a military instance, give it a very high cultural value to this architectural work. So now you can understand why is this work so important for the Mexican contemporary architecture.